I work in the government, a peace educator, and active peace advocate, not only here in Mindanao, but in the whole country. So, in the light of the peace process that is still going on, and in the light of the pronouncement of His Excellency the President Duterte, that federalism first before passing the BBL. So the challenge for us here now is, shall we support the passage of the BBL before the federalism form of government? That is one.
Please make your proposal now.
So for me, foremost, the passage of an enabling law that is in accordance with the comprehensive agreement for the Bangsamoro must come first before the federalism.
Thank you very much.
Another thing, we are looking for peace. And I believe that if we want a sustainable peace, let us start in the classrooms. So I propose that Executive Order 570 incorporating the curriculum peace education, wherein we will be teaching human rights, cultural solidarity, structural transformation, environmental care will be included in the school curriculum at all levels, not only in the Bangsamoro but in the whole country. So I am a Christian and I consider myself a Bangsamoro. That's why I am here.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. At this point of time, I recognize Dato Habib Mastura, please. After him. I haven't recognized you yet.
Atas. Okay, I am Dato Habib Mastura, Secretary General of the Federal Descendants Organization of the Philippines. Yes.
Please proceed. What happened? Dato. So you have a deputy? Okay, Dato. It's your pleasure. Please. Director Kanda will take the place. Please make it fast. Thank you, Dato.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
So I would like to present what the Dato presented because I was representing the...
Please make it brief.
Yes.
Observing the 3-minute rule.
We propose
Yes.
SPO. We propose that the traditional Bangsamoro leaders actually believes that the immediate implementation of the science agreement will bring, because it will bring socio-economic development among the Bangsamoro people and will prevent extremism and terrorism.
Noted.
So, with that, we are hoping that with peace ultimately setting in, the long-term prosperity in Mindanao, particularly conflict affected communities therein, can now soon be realized. And we reiterate our readiness to engage and participate in any and all initiatives and mechanisms of the peace process. We also are ready to assist, provide a platform and avenues